right. Day 19 bingo numbers. Haley, where'd you put it?
The what?
The bingo ball thing.
I didn't have it last.
You totally had it last.
I did not.
Okay. Here? Okay.
Maybe in here? Why would we put it in the microwave?
I don't know.
Maybe here?
No.
No. Is it in here?
Nope.
Mm.
In here?
I don't understand where it could be.
Okay.
Bingo numbers!
Bingo numbers.
Welcome back to day 19. Let's get to your numbers. Your first bingo number is G46.
Next bingo number is 69.
And your last bingo number for day 19 is B13. So to recap, we have G46, O69, and B13. Good luck.